What are those? Early from bed, brushing your teeth twice in a day, wash your face, take a bath daily, do a prayer, then what? Wear neat and dirty clothes. Okay? The clothes should be very neat. Okay, children? With that, what you have to do? You have to do small exercise like yoga. It will help us in stretching our body and helps in circulation of the blood. Okay, children? You all are doing now? Now, shall we move to our class? Okay, first I will start with English. Yesterday what we learned? Small letter and big letter. How to write small letter and big letter together. Then identification of the vowels. Why do we use the vowels? Okay, today other than vowels, what are the letters are there? Now what is that? Shall we see what is that? First we will start. We will write the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. These are our alphabets. Yesterday what we learned? The vowels. What are those? A, then E, then I, O, and the last is U. These are our vowels. Okay, so then if A, E, I, O, U is the vowel, other letters are what? Other than vowels, what are the letters is there? No? Those are called consonants. C-O-N, S-A-N, consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and the last one Z are consonants. Okay? Other than vowels, letters, remaining letters are called consonants. What are those? That other than A, E, I, O, U, other letters are consonants. Yesterday we learned the CVC word, no? CVC word. You all remember that one? Example, mat. Cup. Pen. What is this? These all are consonants. Like M is a consonant, circle the consonant, circle the consonant. So these are called CVC words. What do you mean by CVC words? Consonant, vowel and the consonant. Consonant, vowel and consonant. These are all CVC words. Yesterday I told you, no children, all the words should have vowels. Other than vowels we can't make the words. These are simple 3-letter words. These are all also called CVC words. Okay? Today's homework is take 4 lines book, write A to Z. Okay? Then underline ovals and circle the consonants. Okay? Here I have shown you, know, all the vowels are underlined. See? All the vowels are underlined and the consonants you need to circle like this. Okay? This is the homework for today. English homework is take the 4 lines book, write A to Z, then underline the vowels and circle all the consonants. Okay? Hope you all understood. Now we will move to our math session. Math session. What you learned yesterday? Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one is 10. Yesterday we learned, no? Today we will learn the number names. O-N-E-1. Then 2. T-W-O-2. 3 T H R E E 3 F O U R 4 F I V E 5 S I X 6 S E V E and 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9. The last one is 10 T E N. These are all called number names. Yesterday you learned the numbers 1 to 10. Today you are learning the number names. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-7, E-I-G-H-T-8, N-I-N-E-9. Last one is T-E-N-10. So children, these are all the numbers and these are all number names. You all understood now? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. This you have to learn now at home. So what you have to do? Take your square book. You have the square book, right? Homework for maths is take the square book or box book? Write number names 1 to 10 one time. Second over is you all have mathematics readiness. This book you have no mathematics readiness. In that page 12. Mathematics readiness. Page 12. There what they are given? Trace the number and number names 1 to 10. What you have to do, children? Open the page number 12. Open the page number 12 from Mathematics Readiness book. In that, what you have to do? First, you have to write your name and the date. Then you have to trace the numbers from 1 to 10 and the number names also. While tracing, you just read the letters and then you have to trace. Okay, so that you do know 1 to 10 tracing of the numbers and number names. Okay, this is all for your maths. Now we will move to our next class, EVS. Okay, now we are moving to EVS. Okay, now we are moving to EVS. What you learned yesterday, EVS? What you learned yesterday, EVS? Me and minor, then? Okay, today we are going to new concept, that is my body. All the living things have their body. Yes, no? All the living things have their own body. How? If you take an example, fish is also having its body, no? It is also having all the sense organs. Like that, if you take in a camel, if you take in a plant, it is also having its body. Like that, human also. See, you and me also having the body. Without our body organs, we cannot be fulfilled. What is our body? Yes? What are the features we can see outside and inside our body includes the human body. Example, I have head, eyes, nose, mouth, then what? Shoulders, hands, fingers, stomach, legs, toes, feet, knee and all. You also have the children? All these body parts? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. My body, in that, you already all know all this in your previous session only. Now we will come to know what are the important organs we have. Okay. In that, the first one is like, these are also eyes. Eyes. Second one is nose. Third one is ears. Fourth one is tongue. Skin. Here only why I am writing the only 5 body parts? Because these are more important. Do you know how beautiful world, or you can see your mama, papa all around you. This you can see with the eyes. Nose, the smell you can take with nose. If you don't have a nose, you can't smell any sweet smell or sour anything. Ears, you can't hear any sound or music if you don't have ears. Okay, tongue, why do you need the tongue? What and all foods you eat, no? Like sweets, pizza, your favorite food, that and all you have to taste with tongue. If you don't have tongue means you cannot talk also, you can't taste also. Okay. Skin, yeah, skin means it is like a feel. You can't feel the body. Whole body is consist of skin. The skin. If you don't have the skin, you will not look nice, no children. Yes. In this, you can see 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears, 1 tongue, and all body covered with skin. Only I am specifying these parts because these all are 5 sense organs. Okay? Okay? These all are 5 sense organs. Okay children, you all understood now? Yes, no? Okay. Now, we will go to some conversation. You all have the Tell Me More book now. In that, you open the page number 5. Tell Me More book. Page number 5. Tell Me More book. Page number 5. Parts of the body. They are given here. Parts of the body. Just you go through this. I will go to question for the conversation. What they are given here? How many fingers do you have? Tell me children, how many fingers you have? I have 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. Okay. The next question is, how many toes you have? Not the feet or foot. It is toes. Toes means how many you have? I have 10 toes. How many toes do you have children? Just count it. You have to tell to me. Okay. How does your neck help you? Where is the neck? Neck is this. How does it help you? It helps you to move your face to right to left, up to down. Yes, no? This you can do with the help of the neck. Yes, no children? You can turn right, you can turn left, you can see up and you can see down. This you can do with the help of the neck. Okay, you all understood no? 5 sense organ. I have given only one example for this. Tomorrow we will go for elaboration. Tell Me More book. You go through that. Page number 5 and question and conversation. Question for conversation. EVS homework is you all have one book. One side it is plain, another side you have the 4-line book. That is called the interleaf book. Okay, interleaf book. In that, put today's date, today day. The plain black is there, no? There you stick one body parts picture. Okay, in the plain side. Like this, if you think means. If you think that the book is there, here it will be plain. Here it will be 4-line. In this plain side, you have to stick the parts of the body picture. Okay? Here. In the right side, you have to stick the parts of the body picture. Okay? Then here it will be 4-line. Then what you have to write? The conversation is there, no? Here in the page number 5. Stick picture plain page. Left 4 lines, right question and answer. Tell me more book, page 5. Where are the questions now? Just now we read no. How many fingers you have? How many toes you have? How the neck will help for you? Like that you have to write in the left 4 lines, 4 lines side. Okay. You take the help of your mama. Okay, to write the questions and all, but answers you only have to read. Okay, children. The last homework is there for you. It's a fun activity. My art and art craft book. Okay, my art craft book. In that already you have done the 2 pages. The train and deep in the sea. The 3rd page, sunny sun. Okay. That you have to finish. Put today's date, that is 15th 9, and you have to finish this work. Trace the rest half of the picture and color as shown with crayons. Totally you have 4 homeworks today. English 4-line book, you have to write the A to Z and underline the vowels and circle the consonants. Maths in 4 lines you have to write 1 to 10 with the number names. And also mathematics readiness, page number 12. Okay. Then EVS in the interleaf book you have to write. You have to stick the picture and write the conversation questions in the from the Tell Me More book, page number 5. And the last one is fun book, fun activity. It is art craft book, 3rd page, that is sunny sun, that you have to complete. Okay children, take care, have a nice day.